Hi Gemini, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today Gemini, gagawin natin ang inyong December 2025 General Love Reading. So titingnan natin kung sinong kakonect nyo for the month and anong maaasahan nyo sa inyong connection, potential outcome, advice, ganyan, no? So, this is just a general reading, guys. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And tap the notification bell na rin po para po tayo updated sa ating mga new uploads regarding our zodiac signs and horoscopes. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and start. Gemini. What's up, Gemini? Gemini for the month of, about to say August. Meron siguro nangyari ng August or July. Okay. So, December. December, or baka kantang August ni Taylor Swift is significant sa inyo. I have your divine intervention, time for reflection, storm, turmoil is coming ahead. What else po? Love. Okay, strong affection. Okay, Gemini, I don't know if ikaw ba tong nagkakaroon ng nagde-devote ng time for reflection regarding your love life. Maaaring ikaw ay nagmumuni-muni, mas pinipiling maging mapag-isa, or mas pinipiling mag-invest ng time sa sarili. Maaaring hinihintay mo yung taong para sa'yo, maaaring hinihintay mo sa universe para ipakita sa'yo kung sino talaga ang dapat mahalin. I'm seeing kung meron kang kakonect na tao, or someone else, mayroong turmoil sa inyo or baka magkaroon ng conflict. Okay, that may cause some blockages or obstacles or yun nga, drama, ganyan. Conflicts, pagtatalo, ganyan, okay? I'm seeing there's love naman in the situation. However, lalo noon, parang I'm hearing lalo noon. Kaso, it might be a sign already for this connection to end. Okay, so baka ito na ang katapusan ng connection na ito. I don't know, maybe for some of you, it's the bottom of my deck, gambling, taking a chance. So maybe someone's gambling as well their feelings for you. Or maybe ikaw yun, no? Let's see. Sino po itong kakonect ni Gemini for the month of December in love? Sino po itong kakonect ni Gemini? Sino po itong kakonect ni Gemini? Okay. Wait lang, guys. Sino itong kakonect ni Gemini for the month of December 2025 in love? Sino to? Have your 8 of Pentacles. So, would be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maring you've been building now with this person. Like, parang meron ka ng relasyon sa kanila. Nagkaroon na kayo ng investment ng time and energy. Maaaring committed ka rin sa person na to in the past. Kaso parang 7 of Cups and the 10 of Cups. Yeah, parang feeling ko confused ka or parang hindi mo na siguro kinakikitaan ng parang mo yun, like parang this is worth it na magstay pa. Tama ba? Maybe some of you could also have other options or other choices. Maybe nakikita mo yung person mo na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo. Nafo-focus kasi mata ko dun sa snake and dun sa mukha. So parang feeling mo yung person mo siguro parang pabigat, ganyan, hindi na nakakatulong lalo sa stability or finances mo. I don't know. Yeah. Could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maring may lies, deception, codependent behaviors na nakaka-affect sa relationship nyo. Lalo sa finances, abundance. Maybe your person is also seeing you as very beautiful. Nakikita ko sa material things, no, maaring may konting challenges sa pagmamanifest kung paano nyo makukuha yung mga bagay na ikaka-stable po ng inyong situation, no? Or parang siguro hindi mo nakikita dun sa person mo na pang forever siya kasi it's either hindi kanya nabibigyan ng stability. Okay? So, that's your person. Strong Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an Aries, Virgo, Gemini. Okay, ano ba ang nangyari sa past? Real quick lang. Si Javier, Knight of Swords, so maaaring puno ng conflict or struggles or situation. I'm hearing na pagod na. Okay, sa situation. Yeah, the Tower. Maaaring kasi nagkaroon ng upheaval or nagkaroon ng excuse me, nagkaroon ng parang shake-up sa relationship that could have been parang naging challenging para sa inyo na move forward. Maaaring yung iba dito lumihis na ng daan, ganon. Maaaring may ibang piniling person or sa nakikita ko dito parang naging dahilan yung mga conflict para maaaring hindi na kayo magpatuloy sa isa't isa ng person mo. Okay? Okay, you could be dealing with a Cancer as well or a Scorpio. Okay, so marami kayo siguro pinagdaan ng challenges in the past. Anong nararamdaman ng person na to kay collective Gemini? Queen of Cups. So, merong gustong iparating sa'yo tong person mo. Gemini, okay. The Moon. Maring some of you are involved in a third-party situation. What I'm picking up is yung gusto nilang parang iprotesta or gustong sabihin sa inyo like, maybe alam nila na apektuhan kayo mentally and emotionally with the Queen of Cups there. Medyo imbalance kayo in your moods, possible din. Pero it's like, it's telling me na ayaw din nila yung situation or hindi rin naman nila nagustuhan na situation sa parang puro kayo struggles, puro kayo conflict, puro pagsubok, ganyan. And parang wala naman daw silang magawa. Or parang di rin naman daw nila ginusto na ganun yung mangyari. Okay, strong air sign energy, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Anong may expect ni Gemini ng forward movement or actions mula sa tao na to moving forward? You have here the 9 of Cups. So, I need further clarification. Maaari kasing gawin nila kung ano yung para sa sarili niya. Queen of Swords. High Priestess. So, I'm seeing this person more of like doing what they think is best for them rather than investing in your relationship. Like parang I don't know if there will also be a secret na marireveal around this time na pinapanood mo ito. Na parang wala na silang pake kung ano na iniisip mo, bahala ka na. Kung gusto mo i-dismiss sa buhay mo, bahala ka na. Okay? Maari ikaw yung Gemini, maari yung person mo yan, pero 4, nag-downgrade siya sa 2, so baka may separation din ako makikita rito. This person may have addictions. Okay? Meron tong mga bagay na pinag-i-investan siguro ng pera at panahon na energy na dapat hindi naman doon. Kumbaga, kunwari may commitment kayo, meron kayo obligasyones, dapat doon siya nag-i-invest. Ano potential outcome nito for the month? 8 of Wands. So, addressing the issue, confrontations. Okay. 2 of Wands. Knight of Wands. So, nakikita ko dito, Gemini, maaaring you're at a crossroads kung talagang ililet go mo na tong person na to or hindi. Okay, kasi parang feeling ko kino-consider mo pa rin yung pinagsamahan ninyo. Parang to totally cut this person is parang mag-flip kasi yung buhay mo 180 degrees. So, hindi natin alam bakit nagdadalawang isip si Gemini or yung tao na to. Four of Cups. Kasi baka, ano, feeling mo yun yung gusto mong connection or parang, I mean, feeling mo kasi baka masayang yung connection and parang baka maling desisyon yung gagawin mo na mag-i-invest ka sa ibang bagay or iiwan mo tong person na ito. Okay? Anong advice para kay Gemini? Wheel of Fortune, so let things turn. Wheel of Fortune, ano pa? Queen of Wands. There could be a significant fire sign as well na involved. Maaaring causing conflict or chaos. Okay, in your connection. Five of Swords in the reverse, Nine of Swords. There is a significant fire sign. Could be someone who has a position of authority that's causing you mind games, that's causing stress for you or in this connection. Someone who kind of like wants the attention with them. But what is the Wheel of Fortune? Ano nung ina-advise mo ka dito na yun yung dapat mong harapin, itong person na ito? Iwasan mong wag maapektuhan ng mga parang siguro minamanifest ng tao na to sa inyo. Iwasan mong madala or iwasan mong bumigay, parang ganun. Iwasan nyo wag maghiwalay. Parang, iwasan nyo maghiwalay para dahil lang sa ginagawa ng pananabotahe ng Queen of Wands na ito. Iwasan nyo parang yung relationship nyo mag-suffer. I think the Lover's card. Kasi I think your relationship with this person has a strong foundation. Bottom of the deck is a strength card. So yeah, have that strength. Okay. To tame, kung ano yung dapat i-tame, kung sino yung dapat, parang ang dating sign, kung sino yung dapat sisihin, siya yung dapat sisihin, huwag mong sisihin yung partner mo sa nangyayari. I don't know. But that's what I saw. Let's go ahead and pull some other cards para kay Gemini. Gemini for December 2025. Gemini for December 2025. Confession. Someone has to tell you something. Maaaring ikaw itong mag-confess sa partner mo or yung partner mo magko-confess sa'yo. They'll be back. Expect to hear from them soon. So, may alis, may babalik. Baka ito rin yung person mo kung aalis sila, babalik din naman. Air sign. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, nakakaramdam ako dito ng mental turmoils, mental conflict. So, baka ganun kayo in the past. Challenges mentally, stress, conflicts, ganyan. Okay? Alright, so that's all what I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!